The demands on building automation systems such as heating, air conditioning, and ventilation systems in offices, hotels, public buildings, or the industrial sector are constantly growing and becoming increasingly complex. In order to operate buildings effectively and cost-efficiently, building automation relies increasingly on communicative input-output systems that transfer information between sensors, actuators, and higher-level control systems. METS Connect offers intelligent, decentralized system and control cabinet components for your building automation. The Fieldbus I/O components from METS Connect are ideally suited for use in decentralized applications. They can be used where they are actually needed. This reduces the amount of cabling required, and the EMC influences on the analog and digital signals are reduced. The decentralized METS Connect I/O Fieldbus modules are available in IP65 housings or as a variant for DIN rail mounting. Installation also saves costs and time, as the components can be connected to one another with bridge connectors. Routers and gateways from METS Connect allow you to integrate the Fieldbus I/O components into an IP network. Device configuration and parameterization are performed via the user-friendly web interface. I/O components from METS Connect are used in almost all areas of building technology and building automation, such as heating, ventilation, air conditioning, temperature monitoring, emergency lighting, and security technology, lighting and shading, and access control. Right through to data acquisition from SO Pulse, M-Bus as well as Modbus meters. With METS Connect, you can technically, effectively and economically implement your building automation.